you don't have starbursts, you could absolutely, I call this the puff or the infinity spin. Either one works. Okay. So you can absolutely do one of those as well. I like to mix up the colors so they're more spread apart, right? You could add that as even a smaller version. That was quite big, but okay. No, I wouldn't do this and the starburst. It's a bit much, but I'm trying to give you options of how to upsell. It goes back to my last week's talk about the centerpieces, right? And upselling. Would you like fries with that? I keep saying that. That's the same thing. Okay. Well, we have the base model, but we also have this and this. People fall in love with what they see. So if you could show them the progression, a lot of times people will be like, oh, I love the bigger one so much better. And it's only, what, $20 more? Let's go for the bigger one.